My name is Tukma son of Subramaniam from BRT. My metric card number 0822105115, and this is my individual assignment. So the first question is about to construct the QPSK system in MATLAB as shown in the figure 1 and obtain the results in figure 2 based on the specification below. So this is the question diagram as shown on top. As we can see we have construct the circuit in a Simulink. So we have added the random sources, so as well as QPSK and IFFT, and the constellation of diagram 1 and Bernoulli binary, and also the error rate calculation, and also from digital to signal sine wave square wave of QPSK. And there is also three diagram in it and random source itself. So this is the task 1 diagram. This is the task one input and output, sorry, output. And the task one output is, we can see there is a three diagram output. So the first diagram output is about scattered, or the points are scattered. And then diagram number two, there is 2 point at the end of the graph. And for the diagram three, they all the dots are the middle of the graph. So as we can see, this is the three output of task one. This is the task 2 diagram. So we have changed the AWGN channel from the random access, and there is a Bernoulli binary, and also there is a QPSK from square wave to sine wave and sine waves to square wave, and there is also tree diagram in task 2. So this is the construct in a Simulink form. So based on the task 2 output from 1 for 1 dB, there is a 3 output wave, form of graph task 2. So the first is, they can see three dotted point in the middle of the graph, and the next diagram you can see all dotted points are middle of the graph, and then the third diagram, the scatter of the point all over the graph. So we can notice that there is a three different graph for 1 dB signal noise ratio. For the task 2 output, we can see for the signal noise ratio 15 dB, that is same as the first task, same as the first dB, 1 dB, but then this 15 dB, there is changes, there is more the points on the graph, and then the second is actually same as the 1 dB output, and the third one is scattered a little bit in the middle of the graph. And finally, for the task 2 output signal noise ratio 40 dB, for the all the rate points, there is a dotted yellow dotted on all the rate points. So it has been by grouped in all form of the graph. And the second diagram shows the same result, and also the third diagram also shows the same results as 1 dB and 15 dB as well. From the conclusion, I can learn more about how the noise affects the broadcast signal by building the QPSK OFDM system in MATLAB and adding a AWGN channel constellation diagram output examination at various SNR value enables observation of trade-off between the signal, both degree of noise and quality. The principle of OFDM multiplexing and significant taking noise effect into an account in communication system are reinforced by exercise, which is essential for creating a dependable, sturdy of wireless network. Thank you.